KiCad 8 introduces a new set of contextual tools in the schematic editor called the pin helpers. This feature streamlines the process of creating labels, wires and no connect markers from simple pins with just a few clicks. Let me show you how this works, and it's really a big time saver. So here's my test schematic, and let's say that I want to do some operations in bulk on these pins here on the ESP32 chip. So what I can do is let's say I'll select this bunch of pins just for the sake of this example, right click to reveal the contextual menu, and you can see there's a bunch of pin helpers here. For example, I can do something like wire, and this will just generate wires which I then can connect to this header right there. Done. Just going to undo, have a look at another example. So again, select a bunch of pins, right click, pin headers, apply no connect. That is a real time saver. Alternatively, I would have to just pick the no connect tool from here and then just start clicking on all the pins that I want to have disconnected or unconnected. So big time saver. So again, undo. Let's have another look at, let's do some labels this time. So pin headers, and let's do net labels. Done. And I can actually drag these net labels a bit to the side just to make them a bit more visible, because I already had a few labels there. So they look like this. And another cool thing I can do now is that I can select those labels in bulk and duplicate them, and then just, let's say, connect them to this header that I've added in here earlier. And there you go, all done. Just 2-3 clicks. Previously, this would require dozens of clicks and keyboard button presses to achieve. So this pin helpers menu is really a big time saver.